Hello everyone, welcome back to Writing Tutorials. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you write professional, clear, and effective letters step by step, using real examples and simple explanations that are easy to follow. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to write a civil engineer job application letter. I'll explain what this type of letter is, why it's important, and then we'll walk through each part of the letter one by one, so you know exactly what to write and why each section matters. Let's start with a quick definition. A civil engineer job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a civil engineering position with a company, firm, or organization. This letter highlights your technical knowledge, project experience, problem-solving ability, and your commitment to safety, quality, and engineering standards. Because civil engineering involves responsibility for structures, infrastructure, and public safety, employers look for professionalism, clarity, and attention to detail starting from the application letter itself. Now let's break down the letter from the very top. Check this out: sender information. At the top of the letter, we begin with the sender's information. This section includes your full name, address, phone number, and email address. Even though it's not written in sentence form, it's extremely important because it tells the employer who you are and how to contact you. Here is the sender information used in this letter. Andrew Collins, 7865 Meadowbrook Drive, Denver, Colorado, 80221. Phone 303-555-4189. Email andrew.collins@email.com. A helpful tip here is to always make sure your contact information is accurate and professional. This section should look clean and easy to read. Date. Next, we write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps employers organize applications properly. In this letter, the date is May 4th, 2026. Always write the full date and avoid shortening it. Recipient information. After the date, we include the recipient's information. This shows that your letter is directed to a specific company and role. Here is the recipient information. Hiring manager. Summit Infrastructure Solutions, 1450 Blake Street, Suite 300, Denver, Colorado, 80202. Even if you don't know the hiring manager's name, using hiring manager is professional and completely acceptable. Subject line. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly tells the employer what the letter is about. In this case, the subject is Subject, Application for Civil Engineer Position. This subject line is short, clear, and professional. It helps your application get identified quickly. Salutation. Now we move to the salutation, which you should never skip. The salutation used here is, Dear Hiring Manager. This is polite, professional, and appropriate when the hiring manager's name is unknown. First paragraph. Introduction and career interest. Now let's talk about the first main paragraph. In this paragraph, you introduce yourself, state the position you're applying for, and explain your interest in the role. This paragraph sets the tone for the entire letter, so it should sound confident and professional. For a civil engineer position, it's important to show enthusiasm for engineering work, problem solving, and infrastructure development. Here is the sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the civil engineer position at Summit Infrastructure Solutions. I am eager to contribute my technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and commitment to quality construction and infrastructure development. This paragraph works well because it is clear, focused, and directly related to the role. Second paragraph, technical experience and responsibilities. Now we move on to the second paragraph, which focuses on your technical experience. This paragraph is very important because it shows that you understand civil engineering tasks and project responsibilities. Employers want to know that you can handle real engineering work, not just theory. A good tip here is to mention both office-based and field-based responsibilities. Here is the full sample paragraph. I have experience supporting civil engineering projects through site inspections, design reviews, and coordination with project teams and contractors. I'm familiar with preparing technical drawings, reviewing plans for compliance with standards, and ensuring projects are completed safely, efficiently, and within specifications. This paragraph is winning because it shows hands-on involvement and awareness of safety and standards. Third paragraph, professional qualities and teamwork. The third paragraph highlights your personal and professional qualities. Civil engineers often work with teams, contractors, and clients, so employers value communication, teamwork, and attention to detail. A helpful tip here is to connect your personal strengths directly to engineering performance. Here is the sample paragraph. I am detail-oriented, analytical, and able to work effectively in both office and field environments. I value clear communication, teamwork, and adherence to engineering best practices. I believe these qualities would allow me to make a meaningful contribution to your engineering team. This paragraph strengthens your professional image and reliability. Closing paragraph, appreciation and interview request. Now we move to the closing paragraph. This paragraph thanks the employer and politely expresses interest in discussing the role further. Keep it respectful and confident. Here is the full sample paragraph. Thank you for considering my application. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and enthusiasm can support the projects at Summit Infrastructure Solutions. I am available for an interview at your convenience. This leaves a positive and professional final impression. Closing and signature. The letter ends with a professional closing and signature. Sincerely, Andrew Collins. And that's how you write a civil engineer job application letter. From the sender information all the way to the signature, with the right balance of technical detail and professionalism. Before we finish, here are some overall tips for writing a civil engineer job application letter. Always keep your letter clear, structured, and professional. Focus on technical competence, safety awareness, and teamwork. Avoid unnecessary details and make sure every paragraph supports your ability to perform as a civil engineer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more step-by-step letter writing guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.